Welcome to Journal Party, where we unlock the transformative power of journaling. Today, we're exploring the profound journey of self-acceptance through the art of journaling. Whether you're a seasoned journaler or just starting out, this journey promises to be enlightening and rewarding. Self-acceptance is a fundamental aspect of mental and emotional well-being. It's about acknowledging and embracing all parts of yourself, including your strengths and weaknesses, successes, and failures. Journaling is a powerful tool that can help you navigate this path of self-discovery and acceptance. So let's dive into how you can use journaling to foster self-acceptance. First, let's define self-acceptance. It's the ability to recognize your worth and value without harsh self-criticism. It's about being kind to yourself and acknowledging that you are enough, just as you are. This isn't always easy, but it's a crucial step towards a happier and more fulfilling life. Journaling allows you to express thoughts and feelings that you might not otherwise share. It provides a safe space to explore your innermost thoughts and reflect on your experiences. This practice can help you gain clarity, reduce stress, and foster a deeper understanding of yourself. Getting started. To begin your journey of self-acceptance through journaling, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can write without interruptions. You don't need anything fancy. A simple notebook and pen will do. The key is consistency and honesty in your writing. Here are some prompts to get you started. What are 3 things you love about yourself? Write about a time you overcame a challenge and how it made you stronger. List your strengths and how they have helped you in your life. Reflect on a mistake you made and what you learned from it. Write a letter to your younger self, offering words of kindness and understanding. Perfection is an illusion. Through journaling, acknowledge your imperfections and see them as part of your unique self. Write about your flaws, not as negatives, but as aspects that make you who you are. This perspective shift can be incredibly liberating. Celebrate your achievements. Take time to celebrate your accomplishments, big and small. Write about your achievements and the journey it took to get there. This practice reinforces a positive self-image and encourages further growth. Self-compassion through writing. Practice self-compassion by writing affirmations and kind words to yourself. When you're feeling down, revisit these entries. They serve as reminders of your worth and resilience. Consistency is key. Make journaling a regular habit. Set aside time each day or week to write. The more you journal, the more you'll uncover about yourself, and the easier it will become to accept and love who you are. Reflect and grow. Periodically review your journal entries. Reflect on your progress and growth. Celebrate how far you've come and set intentions for the future. Journaling is a continuous journey, not a destination. Journaling is a powerful tool for fostering self-acceptance. By regularly writing about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you can develop a deeper understanding and appreciation of yourself. Remember, self-acceptance is a journey, and every step you take is a step towards a happier, more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-acceptance through journaling. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to download the Journal Party app, available now in the Apple App Store and Google Play. Our app offers guided prompts, mood and energy trackers, and a supportive community to help you on your pen and paper journaling journey. Good luck on your next journal entry. And as we say in Journal Party, party on!